now we have established a team and whatnot. So how do you now set clear and realistic goals for the sales team?
Okay. So yan, very crucial yan. Kasi kung suntok sa buwan yung goals, paano? And minsan, kung mababa naman masyado, nako, baka hindi na kumbaga sa Tagalog term, magpepetics na lang mga sales natin. So, we really have to define clear and realistic goals. So, sa akin, based on my experience, overall, first what we do is we define yung objective ng company as a whole. And then, once you understand yung goal ng organization as a whole, it does not stop dun sa or end sa revenue lang, the overall goal ng company. And kasama na rin dyan yung pag-a-analyze ng historical data, ano ba yung nangyari sa atin for the past few years, tingnan natin yon. And then once na maintindihan mo na yon, you have a clear understanding of your business goal, then we can make specific and measurable goals. Kailangan yun di ba? Yung SMART goals na should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. So we have to do that. Kasi kapag walang SMART goals, yung sense of urgency natin to hit that goal, wala. Kung hindi siya measurable or realistic or time-bound. Wala tayong checkpoints How can we know if we're really progressing?
Right.
Ang hirap i-monitor kapag sinabi mo, parang gusto ko ng 10 million sales revenue. Saan galing yan? 100,000 lang yung benta natin last year, di ba? So,
right.
Mahirap. Yeah. And then the third point is, of course, for me, kailangan mo laging involve yung team. Involve the sales team, everyone in the organization. We have to collaborate. We have to engage them. We need to hear their inputs, their insights.
Right.
Para, alam mo, kasi sabay-sabay tayong mag-hit itong goal na to, hindi lang naman ikaw as a business owner or the CEO or the president of the company. You have to listen to the organization. And then we have to implement it and tie it together with their incentives, performances, kasama na yun. But it's really important na kasama natin yung team natin when we are defining and setting the goals, kasi they will help us. They will feel accountable for it. Kasi kasama mo sila when you're doing the goal planning, goal setting of the whole organization. Hindi lang ikaw yung may gustong mag-achieve nito. But together, as a family, as a whole organization, you can reach that goal together. Kasi ito yung sinet ninyo. So, yeah, for me, that's really important. And kailangan may incentives and rewards. Kasi at the end of the day, sales team pa rin yan, di ba? You have to motivate your sales team with that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, like, if I put myself in the salesperson's shoes and dictate lang sa akin yung sales goal, parang I'll not be that motivated. And I think you're right. So it has to be a collaborative effort in terms of defining the goals. That's really important as a team.
At saka sila yung may understanding ng market share ninyo in the industry. Sila yung may alam. Sila yung frontliners natin, kumbaga. And if we're asking them to, I have experiences kasi ng ganyan. If we're asking them to match, talaga namang mawawalan ka ng magagaling na tao.
So, I think the worst thing to demotivate your team is really put them into a heavy target objective. Kapag ganun ang nangyayari, parang sila mismo hindi na naniniwala sa product and service at the same time sa objective, sa plan ng business.
Exactly, yes.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, so
kahit na sabihin mo, taasan mo yung incentive nila, sabihin nila, hindi ko rin naman ma-achieve yan. Hindi ko rin ma-achieve yung incentive.
Yeah.
Yun. Right.
So it's really good if we involve them, listen to their inputs and insights. Kasi sila yung frontliner, they know what's going on dyan sa field.
Right,
and sino pang pwede nating tanungin who can have a better knowledge about what's happening around the industry is kung hindi sila, di ba? They know what's going on.
Yeah, and you'll be updated on more relevant information. Kasi sometimes managers or even the head of the sales department may have archaic ideas na ito dapat, ito lang, ganyan yan, kaya yan or something, no? Pero
Right.
pag nakikinig ka sa input ng sales team, you'll get more relevant information that you can input into your strategy. Tama.